press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from News Laundry.
There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. It's been a very hectic week, so we're going to jump right in and discuss some important news events that made headlines. No guys, we want to do the news. We want to talk about the news, not what Arnab and Navika do.
देखो मेरे high quality hash चाहिए.
Just hash, Arnab? I thought you were onto something way more potent to conduct your nightly nachaniya natak. इनका तो चलता ही रहेगा. Let's get on to some real news. This week on Sunday, the Modi government bulldozed 2 crucial bills on agricultural reforms amid a lot of ruckus. I mean a lot of ruckus. Seriously, it was worse than an Arnab debate. Except unlike an Arnab debate, this debate came with the option of central muting. Yup, that's not us muting the debate. Rajya Sabha TV muted the debate so our dear Deshvasis couldn't hear what was happening in the upper house. Yeah, can't hear you. Still can't hear you. That's the world's largest democracy for you. Gone silent. Before the proceedings were muted, in absolute ruckus and chaos, 2 crucial bills were passed.
The question is that Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2028 passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
You think the ayes have it? Really? One of the reasons the opposition was protesting is because they wanted a division vote where MPs can actually vote. And not a voice vote where this can happen. A resolution for the consideration of the House. Do you think TV media keeps us informed? All those in favor say aye. All those against say no. बैठ जाइए, शांत हो जाइए. I think the ayes have it, the resolution is passed. The opposition also wanted consultations, deliberations and wanted these bills to be sent to a select committee before they are passed. You know, basic democracy ke shoshe. Baat, samvad, debate before passing a bill, debate and discussion. That never really happened and then the opposition went full murder. The best way to overshadow bad behavior by the government is to indulge in even worse behavior by the opposition. Well done, guys. Since then, opposition is on a dharna or government bill pe bill clear kare ja rahi hai with no consultation at all. The farmers bill already has a number of farmers up in arms, but the BJP government is like, Sanuki. When so much that is so relevant to your life happens, you'd think news anchors will ask some tough questions to the BJP and BJP spokies will come prepared with some explanations.
Mal, Jal, Pal or Khal.
Kamal hi Kamal. What is he talking about?
Hash, Mal.
Why is he talking about hash?
Because Anjana didn't ask him about the farm reforms.
Yup, that's right. At the time of recording this show, 3 days have passed since the bill was pushed in Parliament, but Anjana didn't hold a single debate on it. What about Sardana?
सवाल ये है कि बॉलीवुड में इस ड्रग्स वाले मायाजाल की सबसे बड़ी मछली कौन है?
जाहिर है, जब न्यूज स्टूडियोज मच्छी बाजार बन जाते हैं तो सरदाना जैसे मछुआरे छोटे मोटे पडल में घुस के मछली पकड़ने निकल जाते हैं। सरदाना की छोड़ो, अमीश ने तो कुछ पूछा होगा फार्म बिल पे।
क्या बॉलीवुड में नशेड़ियों का एक बहुत बड़ा गैंग है और वो अपना अड्डा बना चुका है?
This guy still has a news show. Unbelievable.
बॉलीवुड का नशेड़ी गैंग, बड़े नाम बड़ा खुलासा।
बड़े नाम, बड़ी खबर, big names, big Deepika, B and D. What about Navika?
K, Mal you have?
Arnab?
कचड़े की गंध कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकती।
Why did I even ask? सुधीर, तुम दिल मत तोड़ना।
इन सांसदों का किसानों से क्या लेना देना है? क्या ये किसान खुद हैं? क्या ये किसानों की राजनीति करते हैं? क्या किसानों के प्रति इन्होंने पहले कुछ किया है? आप समझ जाएंगे, इनका किसानों से असल में कोई लेना देना नहीं है। इन्हें कोई मतलब नहीं है कृषि से या किसानों से। इन्हें मतलब है सिर्फ राजनीति करने से।
Okay, so Sudhir picked up the issue only to trash the opposition and totally condone the government. Here's the thing, Sudhir ji. It's extremely silly to say, ये देखो राजनेता राजनीति कर रहे हैं. It's like saying, ये देखो पत्रकार पत्रकारिता कर रहे हैं. पर वो तो आपने कभी करी नहीं. Maybe that's the confusion. We send our MPs to parliament so they can precisely do rajniti for our sake. Now, I'm not for 1 second condoning this behavior. But there's a context here, which is the Modi government refusing a division vote and bulldozing a bill in an undemocratic manner. Of course, after trashing opposition, Sudhir ji trashed those people जिनका लेना देना है कृषि बिल से और कृषि से।
और जाहिर है पंजाब के जो किसान होंगे या देश भर के जो किसान हैं, वो इतने पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं कि इन कानूनों को ठीक से समझ सकें।
Let me get that right. So, ऑपोजिशन के सांसद बकवास हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने कभी खेती करी नहीं और किसानों की सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि वो तो अनपढ़ है। बट सुधीर चौधरी जी जगत ज्ञानी हैं, उनको राजनीति भी पता है, उनको खेती भी पता है, बस पत्रकारिता में थोड़ी मात खा गए। Now, this is a very complicated issue, so I highly recommend you watch Meghnad's explainer on this to understand this issue better. We'll also leave some links for you under this video to read. But the fundamental problem here is of a trust deficit. The government passed the bill without consulting the farmers' lobby or taking them on board. In the Rajya Sabha, they refused to send it to a select committee. Given the context of demonetization and the terrible implementation of GST, farmers have a reason to worry. And it's the job of the government to calm those fears. And it's the job of journalists to ask tough questions on behalf of farmers and conduct panel discussions to discuss this issue, something that was not discussed in Parliament. Yup, that ain't happening.
माल है का लखू। वो मंडी गए थे गरीबदास, लेकिन मंडी तो बंद था।
वो माल मंडी थोड़ी ना दीपिका के यहाँ देना है। नबिका दीदी बताए टीवी पर कि सारा माल दीपिका दीदी की मंडी में देना है डायरेक्ट।
एक चुप गोचू, राहुल शिवशंकर है क्या तू? वो माल और ये माल का कोई लेना देना नहीं है कृषि के साथ, समझे?
हाँ, वो तो आइटम नंबर था। असली कृषि का बात ना तो संसद में ना टीवी पर। वो बात हमार महान प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमसे डायरेक्ट करेगा।
वो कैसे है गरीबदास?
Look, Lakhu, an ad in a newspaper that we subscribe to in a language that we use in our native tongue.
Another ad in our native. Oh, God save the Queen. Look at the beautiful partnership between the government and the media to inform us. You get that, right?
Absolutely.
You get that, right, GD?
I get that, Lucky. It says, farmers beware of lies.
So they're saying, don't watch television news?
Oh, Lucky, you naughty boy. No, this lists the lies all in one line and these long convoluted lines of truth in the native tongue that would make the Queen proud. So here are the lies. Now mandis will end. Farm bill is anti-farmer and farmers' land will be given to the capitalists.
GD? Why do they have to give land to capitalists when they can just give full-page ads to capitalists like Jen Sab using our money? Yes!
Truly like the good old days. तुम से दो गुना लगान।
No, तुम सारा गुलाम लोग हमारी जूती के नीचे ही रहेगा। 3 गुना लगा देगा.
Splendid, splendid. I wonder though, Lucky, why they didn't use our mugshots in this ad about the farmer. Do you think these blokes speak better English than us?
If they don't like our faces, they probably could have gotten Bowtie Thapar, who probably has gotten into farming. And he speaks better English than most farmers.
Or maybe he has moved to UP, where the economy, by the way, is booming, as we are told by another full-page ad paid for by the taxpayer. Yogi ji ki jai ho.
Which is why Manisha Didi said, जब सरकार पैसा देती है तब सरकार का काम होता है, जब पब्लिक पैसा देती है तो पब्लिक का काम होता है. एक्सप्लेनर वीडियो बनते हैं, बनाया है मैंने फार्म बिल पर, देख लेना. जाइए newslaundry.com पर, सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. 300 रुपए लगते हैं महीने का, बस कर ही लो भैया.
हाँ सही है लखू, लेकिन कभी हिंदी में भी बना लिया करो ये वीडियो एक्सप्लेनर.
हिंदी?
That's right, guys. Go to newslaundry.com, click on the subscribe tab and pay to keep news free. If you want news that serves you, pay for it. Or else, be happy with your mal, your nightly fix. Deepika Padukone has been summoned by the NCB on September 25th for questioning. And guess who got super excited about this?
You want to joke about the WhatsApp chats that I have put out? Joke about it. Make as many memes that you want to make on it. You know, take doobies which creates the smoke and everybody comes out and says there is no smoke without a doobie. And I was reporting these facts because it's my dharma as a journalist to put out the facts in public domain.
No, Navika. There's nothing dharmic about what you're doing. You're just a little cog in the giant wheel of distraction that the government is spinning to take away your viewers' attention from real news. You think a 2017 chat from someone asking for mal is busting a drug racket? Take a break. Seriously, take it. Because your debates don't need any anchor or journalistic intervention. Any random person with any random theory will do.
Roses are red, violets are blue. It's time to clean up, me and you.
So this argument, now I'm saying, I feel ashamed. I feel very bad wherever I travel. People say, "आपके यहाँ तो दाऊद funding करते हैं." Some people say, "आपके लोग तो betting करते हैं." Then they show me pictures of film stars with Dawood. Then people say everybody is putting videos high on drugs.
It seems to me after your stunning revelations, every Bollywood celebrity seems to be a drug addict.
As far as Bollywood is concerned, I'll be very candid. I'll be a big liar if I say that at least 50% or 60% of Bollywood has not consumed, tried or do drugs.
आपके नाक के नीचे गैंग्स ऑफ गांजापुर चल रहा था तो उस पर क्यों सोई थी? वो इसलिए सोई हुई थी क्योंकि अगर वो इन्वेस्टिगेट करती तो महापॉलिटिकल ड्रग बॉलीवुड अघाड़ी का खुलासा हो जाता.
और मैं आपको ये बात कहना चाहूँगी, आप प्लीज शॉक मत हो जाइए. अगर ये पीआर मैकेनिज्म जो टीम है, जो एजेंसीज हैं, जो इनको काम दिलाते, अगर आपको ये पता चलता है कि ये सिर्फ ड्रग पेडलिंग में बिजी है, ऐसा नहीं है, ये फ्लैश ट्रेडिंग में भी है, आप चौंक मत जाइएगा.
Today's vicious poison of broadcast news has 3 ingredients. Powerful owners who own the airwaves, meek and pliant anchors who do the bidding of power, and a passive audience that thinks this shit show will do no damage to their mind and society. 2 of those ingredients are out of your control. 1 isn't. Thank you so much guys for watching that episode. If you liked it, please like our YouTube channel. Also like this video, share this video on your WhatsApp groups, share it with your friends, share it with your families, share it with people who are addicted to Republic and Times Now. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to newslaundry.com. Everything that we do here is ad-free. We don't take any advertisements from governments or from corporations because we don't need them. We need you guys to step in and pay so that we can keep doing what we're doing. Pay to keep news free, guys. We really need your support. So please log on to newslaundry.com and subscribe. It's as cheap as 300 rupees a month. Yeah, just 300 rupees. Do it.
दीपिका पादुकोण गाड़ी से स्लो करके चलाइए। दीपिका की गाड़ी को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, स्लो नीचे। देखिए देखिए, यही वो गाड़ी है, यही वो गाड़ी, और हम इसको ट्रैक कर रहे हैं। क्या ये गाड़ी एयरपोर्ट की तरफ जाती है? और अगर ये गाड़ी एयरपोर्ट की तरफ जाती है तो आप यकीन मानिएगा कि इसी में दीपिका पादुकोण है, क्योंकि ये गाड़ी पूरी तरीके से
एक ही गाड़ी है। टेंसिल ग्लासेस यहाँ पे अलाउ नहीं है, लेकिन इनको अलाउ किया गया। आप देख सकते हैं जो बीच वाली गाड़ी, मेरे कैमरामैन दिखाएंगे जायसवाल आपको, ये गाड़ी है। इसमें माना जा रहा है कि जिसमें फॉलो कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इसी में दीपिका पादुकोण है। वो दीपिका पादुकोण गाड़ी में बैठी हुई है, जा रही है जो गाड़ी, ये कैमरामैन दिखाएंगे। इस गाड़ी में कहा जा रहा है कि दीपिका पादुकोण है। मैं इनको फॉलो करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मेरे ड्राइवर उनको फॉलो करेंगे। देख सकते हैं कि इसी गाड़ी में कहा जा रहा है कि दीपिका पादुकोण।
वकार लगातार तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं, तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। वकार लगातार आगे मौजूद है। रकुल रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है, आप गांजा ले रही थी, रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है।